Math is everywhere. MathsAlive is a really cool exhibit. It's an interactive exhibit that's designed to help kids see and explore and discover math in an entirely new way. You know, a lot of kids think that they're not really going to use math outside of school. Well, this exhibit shows how they're already using math outside of school in things that they love to do. Things like sports, music, dance, fashion. There's math inherent to all these activities. So this exhibit shows how math is around us all the time.
Math isn't everything. Math is exciting.
Touch and slide the wheels to position them on the board.
Math is extremely important in what I do. The length of the board and the size of the wheels would determine whether I'm able to do a trick like an ollie. So it plays an extremely huge role in skateboarding.
I'm really excited to think about how kids will feel when they leave this exhibit, the impact that it will have on them. My hope is that they'll feel empowered, knowing that math is accessible and fun and will really help them accomplish whatever it is they want to do in life.
This exhibit is going to change the way that kids think about math. It puts math in a whole different light.
There's so much going on here. Interactive, sports, music, dance. MathsAlive is changing how kids see math.